Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at something from Strike Industries. This is their Anti-Walk, Anti-Rotation trigger and hammer pins set. So you can see here it's listed as an AWP, anti-walk pins, and also their logo, Strike Hard, Strike Fast, Strike Industries, and an illustration of the item and some feature highlights there and a little bit of description further in the text. If we flip it over, there is a QR code and see what else, barcode, and I'm covering it right now so it doesn't jam up my camera right now, and more of that description, another view of the item once all the parts are in place, as well as warning and disclaimer and some contact info. So feel free to research current contact info and product offerings for Strike Industries. If we take a close look at the item, you can see it just comes literally in this little baggie inside of this baggie, and it just consists of 3 components, as you can see here. Now, I'm looking at this, and I don't believe any of this disassembles, so this basically just drops in. You would pop out your normal trigger pin and disconnector pin set in your related item. And you can see here how you have different size diameter ends, this one being flush end, and this side being the kind of the cliff side, larger diameter. Kind of a hex bolt head pattern there, but it looks like the center points are round. I can't quite tell, but again, these literally just drop in and through your receiver one side to the other, and then you would secure this as per the diagram here. So this end looks like this is actually aiming towards us with the pins. You can see the hex side would be providing tension on the opposite side where this would be. So I'm thinking this would thread in. You see the, see, there we go. You can see how it would insert through here and then be retained in the smaller slider area there. So this one would probably go on first, and then you would slide this into place in that locking position there using that groove set. And you see how that falls into place there. Likewise on this side, you would insert the pins in your disconnector area, and then it looks like this is your tension end opposite there. And the way it designed that is that this swings into location, and then through tension, kind of like a C clip or E clip. You might have heard that little bit of clicking sound there. And then that drops into a location there. So no actual tools are involved to tighten anything, and literally one slides into place and then the other holds the rotational clip in place, if that makes any sense. And then you can see here how that would look on this diagram as well, like so. Now, how would it look in relation to a given receiver? That depends. If you mount it in this side, it would look like this. If you mounted it on the other side, it would look like this. Now, why isn't this actually in place? Well, I had noticed something. After some repeated use, this became loose enough that this would sometimes rotate and pop out of position, as you can see by the wear marks. So Uh, that is my observations on this particular setup of item. And regardless of which side, literally just the motion of the pins normally holding the hammer, or even when installed on the other side in the other configuration, the rotation of the trigger would cause the clip to come loose on either side because of the rotational aspect of this moving quickly and rotating, and as well as just repeated motion of the disconnector as well. So again, my observations on the AWP anti-walk, anti-rotation trigger hammer pins from Strike Industries. So feel free to research whether or not they have a closed end model or not. I am not sure. So that is one suggestion for a design change versus the open clip design. But your mileage may vary. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.